Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Soil and Water Conservation Marcuise and Marak Plie Paidbah ka Laskeiñ Soil and Water Conservation Beat Office ka Bahapapo ka Laskeiñ CNRD Block West Central Hills District. Hakani ka skila don lang ru MLA ka than uba Nujorki Sungo ka Director Soil and Water Conservation Department ka kong Iba Shisharenja Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer Jowai Territorial Division uba Taiwan Yowar. Ya ka jaka ka bahe shilak 100,000 sospa lipo square feet la ais ngopha da ka Laskeiñ dor bashnong nakabanta-bante ya ka Soil Beat Office. Menteri badai kami ya Katanat Soil and Water Conservation Marcuise and Marak haba ajing kren ulaong baka jingdon jeng ka office kan yarap shibo ni ki Paidbah jeng kini ki jaka namarkan penduna ya ka jingdon kam jeng ki nong shnong jeng ki sap nyau tadi ki shnong banlet shajengai nakabanta banyo jeng yarap ula benrap baka ni ka office kan yarap ki Paidbah jeng ni ka than ban pennek pensa ya ka khando bat ka dak ba ai kilat jeng yarap bat ka jeng hikai ka badan kam Shushu ulaong baka ni ka office kan long kum ka jaka ban sam jing tip ikbabun ki scheme penroi ba pentri kam da ka office Soil and Water Conservation menteri ula ai khuble ka dorbar shnong Laskeiñ nakabanta ka jing ai ngobha ya ka jaka nakabanta ka jing mentoy jong baro menteri ringkat bat MLA ka than hadian ka jing yalang kila penlong ka jing thong ding haplau ka ni ka office Hakani ka sila dan lang ru Additional Deputy Commissioner ka West Central Hills uba MB Tongper ki officer na ka office Soil and Water Conservation wahe shnong uba benbet lang lingdo udaloi ilaka raliang ba chawas lingdo bat kiwe
Ik player ki het chnong is skeptic chnong.
This office represents not just a building, but a promise, a testament to enduring spirit of community, collaboration, and the commitment of our government to serve the people of our state. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Laskeiñ village Dorba for their generous donation of this land. Their vision and selfless act have paved the way for facility that will greatly benefit 47 surrounding villages. This centrally located plot spanning 106,430 square feet stands as a beacon of hope and progress for many. This establishment of Laskeiñ Beat Office addresses a pressing need. Previously, the residents of these 47 villages had to travel a long distances to ranch office in Shampung village. This journey was not just inconvenient but also posed significant challenges, especially for those with limited financial resources and time. Today, we are taking a significant step towards alleviating these difficulties and bringing essential services closer to the people. Multiple critical functions. It will act as a hub for information dissemination and the implementation of developmental schemes by the Department of Soil and Water Conservation. The accessibility of this office will ensure that people can readily benefit from the department's initiatives aimed at enhancing agriculture productivity, conserving natural resources, and improving overall community well-being. The Laskeiñ Beat Office will also play a pivotal role in environmental stewardship. By promoting and implementing conservation practices, the office will help preserve our natural resources for future generations. This is particularly important in a time when climate change and environmental degradation pose significant threats to our way of life. By establishing this office, we are also honoring the trust and goodwill of the Laskeiñ village Dorbar. Their intention in donating this land was clear: to provide the community with easy access to vital services. Today we fulfill that intention, and I'm confident that this office will become a cornerstone of support and development for entire region. As we inaugurate this office today, let it serve as a reminder of what we can achieve when we work together with a common purpose. Let this be the beginning of many more collaborative efforts aimed at improving the lives of our people. May the Laskeiñ Beat Office serve its intended purpose with dedication and integrity.